Hello everyone. Welcome back to Agriculture Insight. This is the biggest cranberry bogs in the United States. Are you impressed with this scene? 814 billion pounds. That's a massive number. But it's also the amount of cranberries American farmers harvested in 2024. Today, join me as we dive into the fascinating journey of this small but mighty fruit, cranberries. From the vibrant red bogs in the United States, where ripe cranberries are harvested in a unique way, to the modern factories, where they're transformed into juice, jam, and frozen cranberries. We'll explore how farmers meticulously care for each cranberry plant, use the clever water harvesting technique to maximize efficiency, and apply advanced technology to ensure outstanding quality and nutrition in every product. So, grab your rubber boots and let's wade into the colorful world of cranberries together. Cranberries are a unique gift from nature to North America. These vibrant berries thrive in wetlands with cool climates, and when it comes to cranberry farming, we can't overlook Wisconsin, Massachusetts, and New Jersey, the golden states of this fruit. Wisconsin, in particular, is considered the cranberry capital thanks to its fertile soil and abundant water resources. Now, do you think cranberries grow underwater? That's a fun misconception. In reality, these berries are cultivated on soft, sandy fields and are only flooded with water during harvest season. When the time comes, the sight of bogs covered with floating red berries is truly a breathtaking natural masterpiece, captivating anyone lucky enough to witness it. The cranberry harvest season is when autumn arrives. Cranberry fields across the U.S. dress up in vibrant shades of red, marking the busiest time of the year for farmers. This unique harvesting process is a perfect blend of nature and technology, creating a spectacle as beautiful as it is efficient. To kick off the harvest, the bogs where cranberries grow are flooded with water to a depth of about 12 to 18 inches. Why the water? Thanks to the natural air pockets inside cranberries, the ripe berries float to the surface, making them easy to collect. Cranberries are typically soaked in water for 12 to 24 hours before the harvesting process begins. Next, a specially designed harvesting machine enters the flooded bog. Equipped with gentle rotating arms, the machine lightly agitates the vines, causing the ripe berries to detach and float to the surface. This method protects the plants and ensures the berries remain fresh and intact. To help the cranberries rise to the top more effectively, water agitators or paddles are often used to create small waves, loosening any berries still caught in the vines. The bright red berries then form a striking layer on the water's surface, making them easier to collect. This innovative process not only maximizes efficiency, but also minimizes waste, ensuring a high-quality harvest every time. Once the cranberries cover the water's surface, farmers use large floating booms to corral them into smaller areas. These booms act like enormous necklaces, gathering millions of cranberries into manageable clusters and keeping them from drifting away. The sight of orange booms curving through the vibrant red water under the soft autumn sunlight is nothing short of a living work of art. Meanwhile, farmers don waterproof waders, stepping carefully into the chilly, ankle-deep water to guide the berries manually. Using lightweight wooden or plastic rakes, they gently push any stray cranberries toward the booms, ensuring no berry is left behind. To aid the process, high-pressure water jets are sometimes used to gently spray the vines, dislodging any cranberries that may still cling to the plant. This ensures even the most stubborn berries float to the surface, making the harvest as thorough as possible. Once the cranberries are gathered, the vacuum pump system takes over. The berries are suctioned through large pipes and transferred directly into big trucks. This system works quickly while ensuring the berries aren't damaged. In addition, an inclined conveyor belt is often used to move the cranberries from the vacuum pump up and directly into the storage compartments on the trucks. There's also a high-pressure water spray system that helps remove debris and impurities from the fruit. From the fields, these fully loaded trucks head straight to nearby processing facilities, where the next stage of cranberry preparation begins. This is a wet harvesting process that combines tradition and modern technology, making cranberry growing an efficient and beautiful operation. This seamless combination not only preserves the quality of the berries, but also highlights the innovation and dedication behind this complex process. In some other farms, while still using the wet harvesting method, a slightly different type of machine is employed. This machine integrates a water agitator, conveyor belt, and high-pressure spray system. It gently stirs the water to separate the ripe cranberries from the branches. The cranberries are then directed through the spray system and into floating wooden bins positioned right next to the machine. From there, farmers transport these bins to a collection area where the cranberries are prepared for their journey to the processing facilities. In addition to wet harvesting, cranberries are also dry harvested. This method is used by small farms. Farmers use specialized mechanical harvesters, often equipped with comb-like teeth or possibly harvesters, to gently lift the fruit off the vines while keeping the plant intact. These machines carefully transfer the cranberries to collection bins, ensuring minimal bruising and preserving their freshness. There is also a machine similar to wet harvesting. After harvest, cranberries can be packaged directly, frozen, dried, or made into jellied cranberries. First, we will explore the cranberry packing facility. After cranberries are harvested, they are transported to processing facilities for thorough post-harvest handling. The process begins with a cleaning stage, where the berries are washed with high-pressure water sprays to remove debris such as leaves, twigs, and soil. Next, the cranberries are sent through a sorting system using advanced optical sensors or laser scanners to separate high-quality berries from damaged or underdeveloped ones. The selected cranberries then undergo a quality check to ensure they meet size, color, and firmness standards. Finally, the berries are either packed fresh into ventilated bags or boxes with clear information about the expiration date and manufacturer and ready for shipment to the supermarket. In addition, cranberries are also packed in large wooden crates for storage in warehouses. Next, let's go to dried cranberry processing. The drying process for cranberries begins with carefully selected fresh berries that are thoroughly washed and sorted to remove any debris or damaged fruit. The cranberries are then lightly scored or punctured to allow moisture to escape more easily during drying. Next, they are placed in large, temperature-controlled drying chambers, where warm air is circulated evenly to dehydrate the berries without overheating or damaging them. This process typically takes several hours, ensuring the cranberries retain their rich color, flavor, and nutritional value. Once dried to the desired moisture content, they are lightly coated with a small amount of sugar or oil to enhance taste and prevent sticking. Finally, the dried cranberries are packed into airtight containers to maintain freshness and are ready to be distributed for use in snacks, baking, or other culinary delights. Next, let's explore the cranberry drying process at another factory. Next is the process of freezing cranberries. The cleaned cranberries are then rapidly chilled using a technique called flash freezing, where they are exposed to extremely low temperatures, typically around -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This method ensures that the berries freeze quickly, preserving their natural texture, flavor, and nutritional content without forming large ice crystals. After freezing, the cranberries are transferred to cold storage facilities set at consistent freezing temperatures to maintain their quality. Once fully frozen, they are packaged in airtight, freezer-safe bags or containers to prevent freezer burn and moisture loss. Cranberries are also transformed into smooth, tangy jellied cranberry. The cooked mixture is strained to remove skins and seeds, leaving a ruby-red liquid that is poured into sterilized cans or jars by automated filling lines. The containers are then vacuum-sealed, cooled, labeled, and packaged, ensuring freshness and quality for every holiday table. Additionally, cranberries are also made into juice. The cranberry juice bottling line is a seamless operation where the fresh juice is pre-pasteurized to ensure safety and preserve the fresh taste. The bottles move along the conveyor belt to be labeled and packaged, ready to bring the cranberry flavor to everyone. The process of harvesting and processing cranberries is fascinating, but have you ever wondered how American farmers manage to grow over 814 billion of these little red gems? Let's dive into the journey that starts with the soil, the foundation of every cranberry miracle. In areas with cold winters, planting of cranberry trees begins as soon as the frost has melted and the soil is dry enough to work. First, farmers spread a layer of sand over the ice. Farmers spread sand over cranberry bogs to improve growing conditions and ensure good plant growth. This layer of sand rejuvenates the cranberry plants by covering and protecting the rhizomes, promoting new root growth and improving plant stability. In addition, the sand helps control weeds and pests by creating a natural barrier that prevents them from thriving. Once the soil is ready, cranberry cuttings are planted in rows or scattered evenly across the bog, then lightly pressed into the soil to encourage rooting. After planting, proper irrigation is crucial, so a network of water channels and drainage systems is installed to maintain consistent moisture levels. Over the next few years, the young vines are nurtured with precise watering, fertilizing, and weed control until they establish a dense, productive mat of plants ready for harvest. Every year, cranberries usually bloom in late spring or early summer, and their pollination often relies on the help of bees. That's why farmers often keep bees near cranberry bogs. This relationship between bees and cranberry plants not only boosts economic benefits, but also plays a vital role in preserving the natural ecosystem. The journey of the cranberry ends here for now, but it surely opens a new perspective on this small yet captivating fruit. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to explore more fascinating agricultural stories. See you on the next journey.